Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip and today I'm so excited because it's finally here. We're going to be unboxing my very first Fab Fit Fun subscription box. This is for the season of spring. So if you want to see what goodies that Fab Fit Fun sent me for the season of spring, then stay tuned and let's get into this video. This because I am super excited. So Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription box, so they send 4 per year and you pay $49.99 and they say that you'll get 8 to 10 full-size products which will value to about $200. So I've been seeing a lot of unboxings of the Fabfitfun here on YouTube and also on Instagram, so I was just really curious and interested, so I purchased my first subscription, signed up, did all that jazz. I love the box. It's super cute, super colorful, and I'm just so excited that it's here. All right, so let's open it up because I'm super excited. Ooh, okay. Now this is pretty. So you have like a purple, yellow inside. This is super cute, guys. Like, I love this packaging. I need to find out something to do with this box because I do not want to throw this away at all. So the first thing I'm seeing that's on the top here, this is a magazine. So it says Fab Fit Fun and it's an exclusive with Venus Williams. The one thing she brings to every tennis match is on page 17. So yeah, we'll definitely give this a read. And I know that the products that are in here also in this magazine, so I will go through everything. And then also there is a coupon here. So this is from HelloFresh. It says New Year Fresh You. It's a $50 gift card. Let's see, so I think this is meals type of thing. Yeah, so I have a friend that loves doing this type of meal plan, so I'll just give it to her. But okay, I'm excited, and it's just even better because they did a little tissue cloth over it so you can't really see what's in the box. So let's set this right here and just dive in. I don't know why, I'm just super excited about this subscription and I really hope that I like the products in here. So let's get started. They already know me so freaking well. So this is the first thing that I pulled out of the box. These are measuring spoons, and these are the Geedsy copper plated measuring spoons, and let's see, it says perfect for baking or cooking. The copper plated measuring spoon set is the perfect chic addition to your kitchen, and these are $15. All right, so let's open her up and see what these look like. I love anything kitchen item, anything cooking, so already I'm happy. Oh, okay, these are nice. They're so cute. Yeah, so they're just basically, I like the copper. The copper is a really nice color. And these are just super cute. Aw, and it says like what each spoon measuring is right here on the handle. And yeah, they're just a really nice copper plating. So that is really nice. I am definitely going to put this with my other measuring spoons, and it does come with a hook so you can keep all of them together. So I like this. I really do actually like this. So yeah, that is a plus. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is I think it's called Whey, or I think it's Whey. So this is a leave-in conditioner, and yeah, I'll try it out. I do sometimes do a leave-in conditioner, not all the time, but on the rare chances, I will definitely give this a try. We're way obsessed with multitasking leave-in conditioners. It works in the day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair with moisturizing properties and enhanced heat protection. So this bottle is $26. And yeah, I will be giving this a try. Okay, next thing I'm seeing here, this is by Dr. Brandt, and this is a skin charging science, needles no more baggage, eye depuffing gel. Okay, so this says it visibly reduces the look of under eye bags and dark circles with this breakthrough solution, and this is $42. I am definitely going to give this a try, you guys. Like, my under eyes are looking so baggy, so dark, and I think it's just like, I'm getting older. Hate to say it, but I'm getting older. And yeah, I'll definitely give this a try. I should definitely do like a my afterthoughts on my unboxings. But yeah, I'm really interested to see if this actually works. Yeah, so this is a skincare treatment. And the next thing I'm picking up is it Ciate London, and this is an extraordinary translucent powder. Okay, so this is, let's see, so this is the translucent powder. So the secret to flawless makeup, this lightweight, finely milled powder as your last step in your makeup routine for a crease-free, soft focus finish. And this is $22. Okay. Okay, I have never tried this brand. I know they do have lipsticks, liquid lipsticks. I've swatched them a little bit in Sephora, but I've never actually like picked them up. If I can open this box, I want to see what it looks like. Okay. So yeah, like I said, I've never actually picked up a product from them, but the packaging is really cute. I like that. And on the back, it gives you the information about the powder. And when you open it up, it does have the little sticker in there to keep the powder in. The shade in here looks like it's a nice white powder, but it is translucent. Now, what I'm gonna do is if I don't use the product and if I don't swatch it or like unseal it, I'm going to put it in a giveaway for this channel. So I'm not gonna open the powder, so it's gonna be sealed. I'm just gonna put it right back in the box, and I will put this in a giveaway that will come soon on my channel. Oh, now this looks nice. Okay, so this is the Daily Concepts Daily Detoxing Brush. Okay, I am definitely using this tonight. So this is for dry brushing, and let's see, on the bottom here it gives you the texture, and this is a vigorous brush, and it says it's 100% natural bristles, ideal for smoothing and softening skin. Let's see, and this is also to create radiant skin, and it stimulates circulation and detoxes the skin. So yeah, I am super excited to use this. So it says here, your body too needs TLC. Exfoliate layers of dead skin and stimulate circulation with the brush's natural bristles and massaging nodules. And this is $18. Yeah, I am really excited to try this. Let's give this an open because I will be using this. Ooh, I like, this is nice. So it says, let's see, up here, Daily Concepts. Don't know if we can focus on that, but here are the bristles and the nodules here. And there's a little bit of fallout from the bristles. Just a little bit. I think once we wet it, all the loose hairs will fall out. But yeah, it has a little handle here. Ooh, yeah, that's definitely going to exfoliate your skin. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, I'm loving this. So I'm gonna give this a try out tonight, and yeah, we'll see how it goes, but it feels really nice. It feels really exfoliating, and that is a really nice treat. I'm excited. Okay, and the next thing, let's see. This is something in My Girl. Oh, okay, so these are sunglasses. Awesome. So these are the Quay Australia My Girl sunglasses, and it comes in this really cute pouch, which is magnetic. How cute is that? Okay, so I'm definitely keeping the pouch. You guys, this box is so exciting. Okay, so these are the glasses. These are sunglasses, and they come well packaged. I will give them that. Okay, so here are the sunglasses, and they look nice. I like this cat eye that's going on here. It has a little silver detailing. Ooh, all right, let's try them on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, these are definitely my kind of sunglass. Yes. Okay, so what do we think? Leave me a little comment down below. What do we think of the glasses? Are they a yes or a no? But I'm thinking I can rock it. I really like these, you guys. These are so fun. Oh, yay. I am super impressed with these. And I love that they came with like their own case, so I can keep them nice and clean in here. So let's see, these are, it says, with black hardware, a chic metal accent, and an oversized frame, these cat eye sunnies can be rocked by any gal. And these are $55. Okay, so alone, I paid for $49.99. So almost for just these pair of glasses, but I've gotten already a couple of products that I'm loving. So already my money is well spent already. And it says Koi Australia down here. Okay, I am loving this box, you guys, loving it. Okay, so the next thing I got, oh, fun. Okay, so this is a Show Me Your Moo, and this is a robe. Oh, the fabric is nice and soft. It feels very breathable, and I love this pattern. Oh, this reminds me of my bridesmaid robes. Memories. Oh, this is so cute, you guys. Look at this. Look at that pattern, and it is very light, which I like. Oh, let's try her on. Oh yeah. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna give this a wear after the shower while I'm getting ready in the morning, or just like on the weekend when I'm not doing anything. Just have a nice cup of tea with this robe. I am loving it. What do you guys think? Does this color suit me? I love this flower. I'm gonna have to be careful if I'm like applying makeup in this robe because it is white, but it does feel, it's not like a silk texture, it's more like a very light cottony fabric. Let's see, what are you? So it just says Moo Moo, it's made in China. So in the magazine it says, so just stepped out the shower, planning a day of lounging, slip into this beautiful floral printed robe which features a removable belt and a high-low hem. This is $84. This is $84. Okay. This is a little pricey, I would think, for a robe this kind of texture. Like, this doesn't feel like it should be $84, right? Like, this is kind of like, oh, dang, this is $84? Okay. I mean, wow. That's a really pricey robe, but I really do like it. I like it. It's just, okay, that's pricey. That is pricey. So far we are at 6 full-size products, and I think I do still have, I think 1 more or 2 more items in here, so let's just go through them. All right, so the next thing I'm pulling out, this is the, okay, so it's, I don't know if it's from the brand Relax, but it is Champagne Charcoal Scrub, Exfoliate Champagne Scrub. Oh, this looks nice. I'm pretty impressed. Okay. So this is an exfoliant that you use in the shower. Okay, so this is the charcoal scrub. Oh, it smells heavenly. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, so let's see. This is formulated with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals. This luxe and gentle body scrub removes dirt and polishes, hydrates and refreshes the skin. And this is $24, and that feels fabulous. Okay, I'm gonna try this and that body brush tonight because this is about to be my night routine. Oh, that smells so good. I feel like even if you use it in the morning, it'll just like refresh and kind of wake you up because that smell is just making me all sorts of happy. Love it. Okay guys, so that is all that was in the box, and honestly I am loving the pics. I am loving everything about this subscription so far. And yeah, I love that it comes with this magazine. I'll definitely give it a look through, but it says that the total value is $226.99 to $314 depending on the items that were in the box. So it also gives you, so these are the items that you could have potentially gotten. So I got the muumuu, the sunglasses, and the measuring cups here, and then on the back I got the Chiate setting spray, or setting powder, and the Daily Concepts detoxing brush, and then the 3 here, which was the let's see, the leave-in conditioner, the depuffing gel, and the body scrub. So that's it guys. So if you're interested about this Fab Fit Fun subscription, I've left all the information down below, including a link to their website. If I have a referral code, I will leave it down below, and I'll leave anything else I just missed in the description box, and leave me your comments in the comment box. So let's get to chatting about these items. And if you have a FabFitFun box, what did you think about your spring box? I am super excited about just everything, you guys. This is just a great unboxing. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.